Hello! Thanks so much for joining me for another video. Today I thought I'd give a little tour of my work and craft space as well as my craft and planner storage solutions. If there's anything you'd like to see in my next video, aside from better camera work, please just comment below. Okay, let's get right to it. This is my little roll top desk. I think it is just so cute. I got it off a Facebook buy-sell trade group local to where I was living at the time, and it was perfect for the small space. At that time I was sharing an office with my husband. Now I have my own, so I've been able to expand a little bit to a secondary craft desk. At the time this was it, so now I just use it for like a little laptop desk. I work from home, so I'm on here a lot. But I did at one point convert this drawer down below to make extra writing space. I felt pretty fancy about that. That functioned great for a long time, and it is still really nice to be able to have this spot below my laptop for like notes and things like that that I can tuck away when I need. So it's still, this is the exact drawer that it came in, but I removed the front and added hinges and then like magnetic strips to keep it up. Alright, it has these little drawers and shelves and things. You can see I have just a small collection of pens over here. Some gel pens and some, I think these are Signos. Right, let's find out. Yep, Uniball Signos. And then some different sized Jelly Roll pens. The drawers I don't think are super exciting. There's like a spare mouse, an old wallet I don't use anymore, a random USB drive, some like earbud covers and some other instruction things in there. Two more, just same on this side, an old phone case. And then some sticky notes and clips and magnetic bookmarks, things like that. I don't use the drawers really functionally a ton. I really like things to be more displayed. I have my stack of super pretty sticky notes there, and then another little one from Peanuts Planner Co. And then this great set of sticky flags and notes from like a trade show. I have a couple cases of business cards. Here is really just, these are all empty, just random little boxes. It's a business card holder. I have my tape, paper clips, and it's a little Chinese takeout box, but I keep in there Chinese cookie fortunes. And then my mild liners, and this is from the Planner Society, and I have just other pens in there, miscellaneous markers and things. And then down below I have another couple empty boxes and a little like web book laptop that I usually take traveling. Alright, so moving on to my craft desk. This is just from IKEA. It's a plain black desk. I have two drawers here. I did not do any cleaning before this video. My office stays generally pretty clean. I try and stay on top of it, but you know, that's what all this random crap's about. I have, this is from Target. It is a super cute lamp. Normally I have the window open. I close it so the light didn't create a glare. And it has these little organization compartments. I just have a bunch of pens there, some tools, scissors, and it's a hole punch. What is it? It's a hole punch. Over there. A little pouch with Bluetooth headphones in it. And then some planner dividers that, I think they are gorgeous. They're from My Pretty Week, and I have separate planner storage, but I like keeping them here because I just don't want to forget that they exist. Sometimes it's a little bit out of sight, out of mind. So things that I want to use more often I do keep out. It's all messy here. I usually keep a couple portable chargers there, and then I charge them via the lamp as well. Recently I was charging my phone, so that's why they're kind of out of place there. I have some scrap paper from when I last made printables. Speaking of, right down here is my trash can, and beside my trash can I keep my printables and my scrap paper that I, like the printables that printed wrong or I miscut or something, and extra large pieces of scrap paper. I just can't bear to part with that much paper, so I just keep them there for mystery reasons. I have some books, another class planner. I'm not really in school, but I'm taking an online class to try and improve my blog. Obviously my planner is here. I have this little cheapy vase that I keep all my Sharpies in. I have a water cup that I don't keep water in because I have an inexplicable fear of any beverage that's been left unsupervised. I'm always convinced I'm going to find a spider in the bottom of. I don't know what that's about, so I don't drink out of that. It's just there. Has my name on it. It was a bridesmaid gift, so that's nice. I have a little pouch. I have lots of little pouches everywhere. More than I know what to do with, so that one just stays there. Alright, so in my drawers here, in this first one I have like stationery supplies. I have a couple notepads, some pen refills, tape and tabs, and then that is extra inserts that I'm not using, and this is how I organize all of my ring inserts. So I have a bunch of dividers there. I organize them by maker and also by type. Oh, what is the best way to do this? So I color coordinate, so all orange is Peanut Planner Co., yellow is 8 Lotus Co., and pink is Annie Plans Printables. And then I keep my used ones back there and I color code those as well. So that's a super handy way to keep that. It doesn't take up much space. I can archive my inserts that way as well. This is more of my tools drawer. I have an old graphing calculator that I haven't used probably since college. I don't think it even has working batteries, but God forbid I get rid of it. My glue gun, my ruler, extra chargers, a little multi-tool of screwdrivers, packs of matches, a pack of colorful mini carabiners, and an X-Acto knife that I recently took the blade out of because it was worn. And I know I have spares, but I don't know where they are, so now it's just unusable until I find them. Alright. Over here I have my cat's old cat tree. She has a very fancy palace in the other room. I put this in here thinking it would keep her off my desk. It does nothing. She wants to be on my lap or is to kick me off my chair altogether, so it doesn't really do anything, but it does hold the clamp for this. So before I was recording on a camera, I was using my phone, and the phone clips right into here. It's like this bendy arm. I think it's called a gooseneck mount. And so I don't use that so often anymore. I do occasionally clip it there for like pictures, but now I still use the lamp portion, which is nice. So I have plenty of light over here. Alright. I have this little planner shelf here. This I got, I believe, from Marshall's. And it's just a little, file inbox. It says, "Don't agonize, organize." How cute is that? I have some just random planner things in there that I don't really have a better spot for. And one pocket watch in there. Alright, and then on this shelf I have my planner hole punch, my paper cutter, which sits on top of my washi storage, among other things. I have been so good to limit myself in my washi collection, so that is it. That's the whole shebang. I also keep some clips, glue, and tape runner in here as well. Alright. On the second shelf, I have my planners that I'm not currently in. I have this super fun planner from a friend. Look at that. And then behind that I have this cigar box with all of my like little charm or jewelry making materials. Alright. Below that I have more. This is a, what is this? Ah, Electrum. I know I mispronounced that. I'm not going to try it again. That I don't have a use for, but keep. This is a Happy Planner from 2016. I don't know why I have it, but I'm not going to throw it away even after this video. This is a beautiful, like, pad folio that I got from a pen pal. It's not so pretty. And this is my pad folio from college. Below that I have my film camera and other notebooks, as we all have, just a billion notebooks not being used. Alright, next up is my official planner storage, or craft storage, I guess. So this is like a rolling tote. It's almost like a little craft suitcase. I got it from Hobby Lobby on a super sale, but there are all kinds. You can get them from everywhere. Michael's has them. That's where I keep the cat. And I have a lot going on in here. I have my pencils and all my drawing pencils and my pastels and ribbon and all kinds of things. This is where I have a lot of my craft paper. I stick, there's that again. I stick inserts all throughout it. It also has pockets on the side. It's a whole thing. What I really want to point out though is this. So this is like an accordion folder that I made. I made it inside of a little storage box, like a large photo box. It's just several pieces of craft paper folded in half and then washied together. And something I found, I ended up pulling it out of that box because I wanted to use the box for something else. But now it's like this neat, portable, you know, and it's smaller because I can accordion it all together. And that's where I store all my stickers and also die cuts and little paper bits and things. And that slips right in there. I'm sorry my cat keeps talking in the background. She has feelings too. And she would like you to know about her craft storage. In this corner is where I keep my camera stuff. Just in a pile. I'm on the lookout for a cart. The infamous planner cart. I don't need anything as large or as elaborate as a lot of them. Maybe I needed a little shelving unit. I don't know. I'm still looking because that's really all that needs to go on it. But I don't really want just a pile in the corner either. Yeah. Those are some like sewing projects I need to finish. In keeping with my whole plan, I keep them out in the open in the way so I don't forget them. On the other hand, I've needed to do them since Christmas, essentially, so that's how much good that's done. Okay, Here's my little entertainment center. I have a TV on there. And then I use this bottom portion, I thought this was pretty great, as like my whole printing station. On the left, I have some other notebooks and binders. Used ones from like college, like all my college notes that, you know, you can't throw away, but don't do anything else with them. I keep paper on this top shelf, and then I have file folders and envelopes on that right side, so I thought that was kind of nifty. This is my work bag. I do work from home, as I mentioned, but I do occasionally travel for work, so this is a big-ass tote that is also a backpack. I keep meaning to do a what's in my work bag video. I haven't, mostly because I use this for travel, so next time I travel. And I keep it there because that's a place. Okay, I have one little hook for my Fossil Sydney satchel. I have a black and a gray. I'm using the gray now, and whatever one I'm not just lives there. There's my cat scratching post. It's a very cat-centric house, as you can see. And here is my closet. This is probably the least exciting part of the tour. I have my sewing machine and basket. Some memorabilia boxes. Empty boxes for electronics. More things for sewing projects. I have really a lot of projects that I just stick places, hoping that I come across them and do them. I don't. Maybe one day. And then more boxes. This is the storage box, my hand for size, that I had those accordion folders, or that kind of DIY accordion folder in. Now I use it for work stuff, but yeah. If you have any questions or you'd like to know anything about my specific planner storage systems, please let me know. I'd be happy to make a more detailed video on some of these things that I've DIY'd or made. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!